first monkey we've spotted in Ubud. He's hungry. Secret garden sky. There's a baby. Oh my god, they're so little. There's a whole family. I saw one over there. They're moving in a herd. Oh, he pulled his tail. That was not nice. Wow. Yeah, for today, 12th through the 18th. I want to see the price. Thank you. Oh, there's two right there. Oh my god. Right outside my hotel. There's literally monkeys jumping from top to top. They're so cute. Come here. It's a Pomeranian. That's my first dog I've seen that's a designer dog. Ah, a Pomeranian. He looks like he's in good condition. He must have an owner. Hi. Hello. There's a kitty. Oh my god. Oh. Beautiful here. So beautiful. 100% recommend. Incredible. Wow. And there's monkeys here too. Incredible. Thank you so much. Thank you. I love this place. Beautiful. Little kitchen. Some water provided. Our place is that way. Beautiful. It has this little pool. I don't really go in the pool too often, but still gorgeous to look at. They have orchids. Wow. Beautiful. I love the jungle atmosphere with the temple-like energy. So nice. Walking in. Clean and a lit room. I like when it's lit, so it's better footage. Cute little vanity to do my makeup. Leftovers, mini fridge. Ooh. And some complimentary coffee. I will be drinking that. They have creamer and sugar. Yes. I don't really drink coffee that often, but because it's free, I will drink it this time. Usually I drink tea. Oh, perfect. I can put all my clothing and fold it nicely. This one does not have a little handle. It could just be my room, but I can ask about that. But there's one side and then possibly a second side because I think this one broke off. But besides that, a nice size, nice view, gorgeous, coming straight out. I hear water stream, which is relaxing and peaceful to the right. There's a little bit of a sound of a generator, but I don't think it's that bad. And when I close the door, I think it should be fine for footage. And then on this side, there's some dripping water. I'm not really sure, it could be because of the rain, but as long as you walk on this side, you're fine. And they have free water. My other hostel did not have free water, so I had to pay, but it doesn't make sense. So I like that this one's free. There's a desk right here. I probably will either keep this here or put this right there in front of the light so that I can do work with the light shining on me. Or I keep it here and use it to have all my products. Cute little sink. And then this is the restroom. Ooh. So to shower is in the same section as the restroom, and then you have some soap to use as well, and then a towel rack. There's a fan, and there's hooks. little trash can. Turn off everything. Also a plug right here for hair dryer, other things, and some light. Overall, for the price, the discount I got, which was pretty much 2 million, a little bit under, this is good. Also has 5G fast Wi-Fi. And if you do wash your clothes here, there's a drying rack. But I most likely will go to the laundromat, which is amazing. And we have AC. Cute bed. I'll probably take this off and remove those little pillows, but super cute. But overall cute, little, and clean, and peaceful, which is what I'm looking for being here in Ubud. Oh my God, guys. This is what was making noise. It's literally a green iguana, like a mini green iguana. Whoa, right in front of where I'm at. This is insane. I'm gonna see a lot of animals here. And I love animals. Whoa. He's looking at me, I think. Wow, he's so green. He's thin for a lizard. Guys, he just jumped off the wall onto the tree. Literally right there. He jumped from there to there, literally without fear. Wow, I wish I got that on tape. I've seen lizards, I've seen wasps, I've seen monkeys, a monkey family. I've seen a black cat in a matter of literally like 15 minutes just by coming here. This place is literally heaven. What else will I see? I can't wait to find out. I think I'm gonna make myself some coffee. I love this place. This is my new home, guys. And it's affordable for 7 days. I believe it's around $101 US for 7 days. High speed, pool, nice bed, hardwood floors, fridge, wardrobe, outside table, peaceful, and heaven. Ooh, what's up here? I wonder what it looks like with the lights on. Also AC, great location, animals everywhere. Day 1 or arriving day in Ubud. Mwah. And I want to for sure lay out here. Maybe get a tan one of these days. Also, the temperature here is more cool. I feel the breeze and it feels cool. So it's less hot than it would be in Canggu, which I like about Ubud. Of course, it's peaceful too. Amazing. I can do my yoga streams in here too. Ah, it's perfect. There's a key they gave me. Close the door, like so. And then I can lock it. Oh. Hello. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Amazing, thank you. Wow, it smells so good in here. Oh my God, it's like a little cushion. This super healthy bowl looks bomb. Avocado, bruschetta, what? I've never heard of that. a French place. French desserts.